Tech companies make many choices as they develop new technologies for their customers. Low-powered groups that work for these customers, such as frontline workers, are often disadvantaged, especially when new technologies risk increasing surveillance or the intensity of their work tasks. But when acceptance from low-powered groups is important, how do technology developers include the interests of these groups while still maintaining legitimacy with managers and other high-powered groups? By conducting a study of a production monitoring technology for manufacturers, a researcher found that developers use a specific set of strategies to navigate between groups that have different levels of power and varying interests. In the study, the technology developer ProdTech introduced a technology used by groups with varying levels of power, from manufacturing managers to machine operators. But while manufacturing managers paid ProdTech's bills and relied on its data to make operational decisions, people lower in the hierarchy, such as machine operators, often determine the success for individual clients by either avoiding or using the software. This created complex problems for ProdTech as it sought to create a technology that served both its high and low-powered stakeholders. Thankfully, ProdTech was able to improve its development by creating new user feedback processes that align the interests of different stakeholders while protecting machine operators from undesirable developments like increased surveillance. As scholars learn how technology developers can navigate serving both high and low-powered customers, they may better understand the dynamics of control and how to initiate more egalitarian technology development. Wonder how companies navigate tech creation for many different types of groups? If so, you may want to read this paper.